Please like, share, and subscribe.
Please wait till the end of this video for a point of view drive and a video with audio of the engine running. Also, please check out our other videos and leave us a comment on what car videos you would like to see. We are trying to build the page and give you what you are looking for, so suggestions in the comments are always welcomed. 2018 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ 4x4, finished in red hot, with jet black leather interior. This was a recent trade-in to us. Truck looks as good in person as the pictures and walk-around video show. Truck is on a brand new set of BFGoodrich all-terrain TA tires size 275/60/20. Installed options: rear axle 3.42 ratio, 1LZ LTZ preferred equipment group, wheels 20-inch by 9-inch chrome, tires 275/60/20 all-terrain. Seats, front full-feature leather appointed bucket with heated seat cushions and seat backs. 10-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters, including 2-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory, adjustable head restraints, floor console, storage pockets, wireless charging, jet black, perforated leather appointed seat trim, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. LTZ Plus Package includes power adjustable pedals, Bose premium audio system, front and rear park assist and UVD heated leather steering wheel, rear park assist, heated leather steering wheel, sport package, engine block heater, trailer brake controller integrated, wheel full-size spare 17-inch steel, L.E.D lighting cargo box, switch on center switch bank, license plate kit front, wireless charging, seating heated and vented perforated leather appointed front buckets, console floor mounted reconfigurable, cup holders, cell phone storage, power cord management, hanging file holder capability, wireless charging, steering wheel heated, leather wrapped and color keyed included, pedals power adjustable, front and rear park assist ultrasonic.
Please like, share, and subscribe.